Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas, taking a look at inside Stateroom 8187. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. Entering the room, we get a good look at the closet space on our right, as well as a chair, and in the middle is the king-sized bed. Over here on the left side of the room, there's a wall-mounted TV just over the dresser, as well as the desk and vanity area, where you'll find a decent workspace, as well as 2 standard outlets, 2 USBs, and a European outlet. Right next to the desk is the dresser, which features a drawer and a mini fridge here on the left side. And 4 additional drawers here on the right. Over here on the left side of the bed, there's a light and a telephone that does have a USB outlet in it. And there's also a couple of storage cubbies in the nightstand. Over to the right side of the bed, you've got the same light and shelves, as well as a standard outlet. And additionally, over the bed, there's some really handy storage space as well. Now let's take a look at your closet space here in the room. On the right, there are 2 racks for hanging your clothes, and on the left, there are 4 large storage cubbies, a safe, and 2 drawers. Now onto the bathroom, which is an adequate size and features storage space to the right of the sink area as well as below the counter. The shower has a curved glass door, a 2-in-1 shampoo and shower gel dispenser, and a footrest. Your thermostat control is located here on the wall just outside the bathroom door, and your muster station is B1, which is on deck 4 in the music hall. Now, we did enjoy this room, but there were a couple of things we didn't like, such as this small gap between the dresser and the bed, and the fact that the TV swivel doesn't come around all the way towards the left side of the bed. All inside rooms are not alike. As you can see right next door in 8185, they don't have these issues I mentioned, and they have a couch. Thanks for checking out the Odyssey of the Seas inside Stateroom 8187 with us today. Now, Odyssey is an amazing ship, and if you have any questions or you're ready to book your next cruise vacation, give us a call at the number below or email thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on the latest cruise content. But most of all, remember, life is short, cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.